Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HMD Pulse Plus to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens. Select Send at the bottom left corner of HMD and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HMD, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. If you wish to scan this QR code though, select scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!